Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are best in health at home. The Heaven Education Foundation free online classes. We are doing Ren and Martin exercises, and inshallah we will complete our 103 exercises of Ren and Martin very soon. And now in this video we will you will watch 39 exercise to 41. Three exercise we will do in this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, then you will have my new upcoming videos inshallah. Let's start exercise 39. Name the verbs in following sentences and tell whether they they are in the active or in the passive voice. Okay, the cat killed the mouse. And you know about this thing, what is an active voice and what is passive voice. Active voice sentences are always consist of subject, verb and object. We always focused on subject in active voice sentences. And you may say nominative case, you may say agent of a sentence, doer of a sentence is focused in active voice sentence. Passive voice sentence, object is focused, sometime subject is ignored, or sometime it is mentioned but less focused on it. For example, Sana makes tea. Sana is agent of a sentence. This is active voice sentence, and SVO, subject, verb and object is present here. In passive voice, object is focused. Mangoes are cut. Thieves are caught. Oxford syllabus is being taught in this school or in that school. So, who teach? Teach who teach Oxford syllabus? Definitely teachers, but no need to mention over here. So whenever you are focused on subject, verb and object, that is called and that is called active voice. And if you are focused on object, that is called passive voice sentence. And active voice and passive voice. In passive voice, always third form or verb is used. And sentence formation of passive voice and active voice, subject, verb and object is active voice. Object comes first. Object comes first. Helping verb, third verb, by and subject. By and subject. You are focused on object for passive voice. For passive voice, object, helping verb, third form of verb, by and subject. And in active voice, you always focused on subject, verb and object. Helping verb can come according to tense. Helping verb can come according to rest, but in simple present or in simple past, no helping verb is used. And first verb is used in present indefinite, and second verb is used in past indefinite. Otherwise, rest of the all tenses are helping verb is included in other tenses. Okay, subject, verb and object is compulsory in active voice. Object, helping verb, third verb, by and subject. Sometimes subject is ignored in passive voice. How? The thieves are caught, and thieves are caught. Mangoes are cut. Vegetables are cut. So no need to Oxford syllabus is being taught here. So these are the examples of passive voice. Let's start exercise 39. We will identify where is active voice and where is passive voice, and its our object is cleared. We will split up one sentence in a three. We will find three things: how, subject, verb and object in active voice. Otherwise, if object is present here, then it would be passive voice. The cat killed the mouse. The cat agent is present here, so subject, verb and object is present here, so it is called active voice. We compelled the enemy to surrender. Again agent is present here, subject is present here, verb and second verb and object, so it is called active voice. The boy was bitten by a dog. Now object is focused on it. It is called passive voice. The thief was caught. Again object is focused. Who caught? Agent is ignored here, so it is called passive voice. The boy made a kite. Who made a kite? The boy, so it is called active voice sentence. The ship was burnt. Who burnt the ships? Nobody knows, so agent is ignored here. This is object is focused here, so this is passive voice sentence. The young man made a disturbance. A disturbance the young man made a disturbance. Who made a disturbance? Young man, so young man, so it is the young man is your subject, and made a disturbance, made verb, and disturbance is your object. This is again active voice. The captive was bound to a tree. Who bound the captive? Agent is ignored, so object is focused here, so it is called passive voice. The bird was killed by a cruel boy. Again this is passive voice, because the bird is focused here, object is focused here. The sudden noise frightened the horse. It is passive voice. He is loved by all. Here object is focused, he is object here, so objective case, so it is called passive voice. Yes, the exhibition was opened by the governor. Yes, again object is focused here, so it is called passive voice. I see a dark cloud. This is active voice sentence. I agent is present here, verb and object. His command was promptly obeyed. Again object is focused here. This is active voice. Passive voice. Some of the cargo had been damaged by the seawater. Again object is focused here. This is called passive voice. Nothing will be gained by hurry. Nothing will be gained by hurry. Again object is focused here. This is passive voice. The dog chased the sheep. Who chased the sheep? The dog. Agent is present here. Subject, verb and object is present here, so it is called active voice sentence. Keep remember, third form is used in passive voice. Okay, this letter was posted last night. This is passive voice sentence, because object is focused here. The field is plowed. The field is plowed. Who plowed? Agent is ignored here. This is called passive voice sentence. The dog was teased by the boy. The dog object is focused over here. This is called passive voice. The cat drank all the milk. As agent is present here. This is active voice. Subject is present here. This is active voice sentence. A stone struck me on the head. Again this is active voice sentence. The old gentleman takes snuff. This is again active voice sentence. The money was lost. Object is focused here. This is passive voice. The letter has just been posted. This is passive voice sentence. Now let's start exercise 40. Turn the following sentences from the active voice to the passive voice. Now let's start. And for active voice and passive voice, object comes first, helping verb, third verb, by and subject. Helping verb, object comes first, object for passive voice, helping verb, third verb, and by and subject. It must be present over here. Now let's start exercise. Helping verb will be vary in every sentence, but third form always used in passive voice. Object comes first and subject comes in the last of the sentence. Okay, the cat killed the mouse. The cat killed the mouse. The mouse was killed by the cat. How I can use was, because this is second form of verb, and second form of verb it means this is simple past tense, and we always use was for simple past tense in passive voice. Yes, the man cut down the tree. The man cut down the tree. The tree was cut down by the man. Columbus, again this is second form of verb. Columbus discovered America. Discovered is second form of verb. America was discovered by the Columbus. His teacher praised him. His teacher praised him. Praised is your second verb. He was praised by his teacher. The boy teased the dog. Again this is simple past tense. Second form of verb is used. Was we will use for helping verb. The dog was teased by the boy. The sise feeds the horse every day. This is simple present tense. First verb is present here, so we will use is rm for helping verb. The horse is fed by the sise every day. The police arrested him. He, a second form of verb. He was arrested by the police. Rama was making a kite. This is present past continuous tense. So we will use was being, verbing for passive voice. A kite was being made by Rama. The boy caught the ball. Again this is second form of verb. The ball was caught by the boy. My father will write a letter. This is future indefinite tense because first verb is present here, will and shall is present, so we will use will be or shall be for passive voice. A letter will be written by my father. I will conquer him. Will is present here, first verb is present here, so we will use will be or shall be for helping verb. He will be conquered by me. He kept me waiting. This is second form of verb present here. This is simple past tense. I was kept by him waiting. The hunter shoot the lion. Again this is second form of verb. The lion was shoot by the hunter. Harry opened the door. The door was opened by Harry. A policeman caught the thief. The thief was caught by a policeman. Sohrab threw the ball. The ball was thrown by Sohrab. He scored 20 runs. This is again second form of verb. 20 runs were scored by him. Your behavior vexes me. This is first form of verb. This is present tense. Simple present. I am vexed by your behavior. Now 19 lines. Manners reveal character. Character is revealed by manners. He made a very remarkable discovery. A very remarkable discovery was made by him. Little strokes fell great ox. This is present tense because first form of verb is used here. Great ox are fallen by little strokes. Dondu will bring the pony. This is future indefinite tense. First form of verb is used here, and will or shall. The pony will be brought by Dondu. Everyone loves him. This is again present tense. Present, simple present. He is loved by everyone. My cousin has drawn this picture. This is has, and this is present perfect tense. This picture has been drawn by my cousin. We expect good news. Good news is expected by us. This is again first form of our simple present. His own brother swindled him. Again this is past indefinite. He was swindled by his own brother. The recitation pleased the inspector. The inspector was pleased by the recitation. Somebody has put out the light. This is again present perfect tense. The light has been put out by somebody. The enemy have defeated an army. This is present perfect tense. our army has been defeated by the enemy. They sell TVs here. They sell TVs. TVs are sold by them here. I have sold my bicycle. This is present perfect tense. My bicycle has been sold by me. People will soon forget it. This is future indefinite tense. It will be forgotten by people soon. They opened the theater only last month. The theater was opened by them only last month. We prohibit smoking. This is simple present tense. Smoking is prohibited by us. Now let's start exercise 41. Change the following sentences so that verbs will be in the passive voice. Now we will do this exercise of passive active voice to passive voice tense. Yes, we saw you and him. You and he were seen by us. They asked me my name. I was asked by them my name. Yes, we refused them admission. They were refused by us for admission. I bought the baby. I bought the baby for the baby a doll. I bought for the baby a doll. A doll was bought for the baby. They found him guilty of murder. Yes, he was found by them guilty of murder. Milk. A thunderstorm often turns milk sour. Milk is often turned sour by a thunderstorm. You cannot pump the ocean dry. The ocean dry cannot be pumped by you. They saw the storm approaching. The storm approaching was seen by them. Number 9. He keeps me waiting. I was kept by him waiting. I was kept by him waiting. They painted the house red. The house red. The house red was painted by them. Okay. He told me to leave the room. I was told by him to leave the room. He promised me a present. I was promised by him for a present. I shall order the carriage. The carriage will be ordered by me. The boy is climbing the cliff. The cliff is being climbed by the boy. This is present continuous tense. So is being, are being, am being we will use. The cliff is being climbed by the boy. One may accomplish many things by a little effort. Many things may be accomplished by a little effort. This is maybe. If may is used, you will use for modal verbs you will use be. You will add be. Maybe, can be, could be, should be, will be, shall be. So we always use may with add with be. So we will use here many things may be accomplished by one. I am watching you very carefully. You are being watched by me very carefully. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching my videos. Inshallah, we will complete our task very soon. Allah Hafiz.